Good day, good morning everyone, welcome guys, happy Friday times. Welcome lovely community, how do you feel today? Welcome guys. How do you feel today? Look at that one now, let's get into our next targets. Our next accounts that we have to trade and set up for a great trade. Set up for a What's up guys? Come on. Where's the energy? Where is the energy guys? Raise the bar, like the video. Let's just bring this back to life. We gotta hit the targets. We're day number 9 on this account. Third cycle. Day number 9. Third cycle. Very, very important. Like the video, guys. Come on. We're sharing today $150,000 in giveaways. 150. Invite your friends, parents, community members, neighbors, Telegram groups. We're live, so you certainly want to be out here seeing how we're printing. I think today it's going to be at least a decent day. At least. Gotta break my balls and close out a week in a great fashion. We had an amazing week so far. Amazing. One of the best ones. One of the best. Welcome chat. Welcome folks. Why is YouTube not sending notifications? What's happening with it? YouTube, come on, wake up. You're not sending notification. I got on live and you're not sending to my subscribers notification. Good evening out there. Great to see you, buddy. Come on, guys. Like the video. Let's bring it up. 150 bucks. We're trading at the daily opening here. This is a good spot. 369. Let me get back into my long here. You know, let me get into my long. 369 account. Give me that quick. This one. 369. Watch out, we're 10 micros. 10 micros. $16 micros. We only need 180 bucks. Keep that in mind. 150 minimum. This is the place I'm gonna DCA a little bit. This one. This is the place I have been DCing a little bit. If it holds, we're going to nicely monetize this. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Great to see you. Come on. Hmm. 5 points for my target. Decent possibility here on this move if this level holds. Otherwise, I'm gonna nicely be out of this. I'm gonna nicely be out of this. Welcome. If this level is not holding, obviously we've got a situation here. You see this one, guys, this one. That's it. I'm not touching any more this. And I'd like to see how do I manage. Risk and reward is perfect. Is perfect. Buying some trade of 8 longs here. And I'm touching some longs for my Ignite account.
Order filled.
Let's see, how do we manage this? Day number 9 in the 3rd cycle, which means 29 sessions. We have completed 28 sessions, all hitting the profit. No losses, 28 sessions, 0 losses. So many times we were down 3,000, 3,500 on the day, and we recovered. It's not looking too good. Not looking too good. Not looking too good. I'll have to accept a stop loss somewhere. Day number 9, come on. That's insane. Oh, this is not looking good at all. Look at that 5-minute candlestick we just had, guys. This is going to be pretty difficult. But somehow we have to find a way fighting back from here, accepting some losses somewhere. Some temporary losses somewhere. We'll have to do it. Chart is not looking exciting at all, guys. You see, these are the lovely challenging moments that I enjoy. We've been 3,500 down on this account for the last 10 days twice. And we managed to fight back. I'm selling a portion here. Another portion. I've accepted $500 loss. I'm selling another portion here. $700 accepted. $850 accepted as a loss. Yep. And I'm totally out. Accepted a $1,000 loss. Beautiful, guys. Feel like I should celebrate this, honestly. And I'm gonna rebuy cheaper if I get the opportunity. Otherwise, we have DCA'd, and then on the way up, we have exited. Which is not bad. Not bad. Look at that lovely reaction from a previous supply sitting on 570s. But there is a risk here, basically, for the markets to... We're looking like a possible downtrend here with the lows and the highs on their channel. It's also Friday, so I expect basically a bunch of volatility. Good morning, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. In order to do the giveaways, we gotta like the video. Come on. Look at that strong movement on the 5-minute. Incredible, guys. Incredible. Testing out a little short here. $20 micros. And I'm out. We made $150. We've secured that. No. Trust me, this is the way. Just watch the last streams. Every single time this thing happened, this was the right choice and this was the right way to get out of a losing trade. How many times you guys have been waiting for the market to get back to your original entry? And then instead of reaching that level, the market reversed again and it went deeper and you lost everything. right? So that's basically the case scenario. That's why on the way back, instead of hoping that it's going to get fully retraced, I'm always exiting, always, and will always do it. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here profitable. We'll always exit on the way back in a loss. We'll always do that. Love the volatility we have. What about the Ignite account? The Ignite account is here. It's having some profits. Putting the stop loss on break even. The target has not been touched on the Ignite. It's sitting on 610. We put a stop loss on break even right now. 15 bucks profit there. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Filled. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. So just let's get back to our discussion. Trading our YRM accounts. 3 accounts of 150k instant funded. You know, the only thing you have to do here for the YRM is to achieve your payout target, and that is nothing. You don't have a payout target. But you have minimum 10 days of 150 bucks. Right? That's basically the payout conditions. Minimum 10 days of 150 bucks. That's why the instant funded is a great choice. Testing out along here, guys. Testing out along here. I like the way we have reacted. And now, I'm going to leave this one open. Interesting rejection what we got there, guys. I sold half of it. Sold completely everything. We also got stopped out on $12 profit for the Ignite account and Tap on futures with a Project X. Yeah, this is interesting. It's an interesting moment here. So 10 days of minimum 150 bucks, and that's it. There is no other target for the YRM accounts. Simple, straightforward. Scramble coupon code will give you bigger discounts than the website, because I have negotiated strictly a take profit right there would give me about 600 bucks. If we get a continuation here, but you see, price action could actually reverse. I like to see what's happening here for the third time. We got double rejection on the previous candlesticks. And if the market is missing basically to confirm on that, and it's trying once again for the breakout to the upside, obviously I have to be out. We got 30 micros. Not looking too good. Yep. We'll have to cut it. And we'll cut it. This is an important level, guys. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. Bring it down. Come on. Nah. Not looking too exciting for the moment. We did stop a little bit here, but the pressure from the bulls is constantly getting rejected. You see? It's important to make here a double top on the 1 minute. Double top on the 1 minute here. Otherwise, I'm gonna be out. And I'll take the loss. Let's see the bears. Are they capable of something interesting? A nosedive here. Yeah, not much enthusiasm around the bears. This candlestick we had right now, and it is about to close. Should have been having some aggressiveness downwards. Stop loss is going to be right there. There's no other way for me. This could actually go very aggressively if we're breaking this level. Could actually only wick and then come back, but at the same time, the risk is there for a massive movement for my sizing, and I don't need that in the current context, so I have to cut it quite early here in a unfortunate position. This is pretty much a spot where things could actually reverse for a good short. It's a decision point, in other words. Still not going to be a bad day. Not going to give up on this account. I'm going to trade it, guys. Come on. Yesterday, we, last period was just insanely great. It's day number 9 of the 3rd cycle for this account. Yeah, we got stopped out there. Look at that. Daily opening. I don't think this is surviving for the upside from here. You see, I could be on a massive error, but I'm gonna take it. Daily opening right there. That's what we touch right now, the 605. I'd like to reshort. Probably the next candle I'm gonna reshort it. Next candle we're opening. I'm gonna search to reshort it. Not that worried. Not that worried because I have, you know, I have balance, I have cushion. And I'm not worried, guys. We have fought back from 3,500 down. Realized loss. So give me some time here and see if I could adjust this. Shorting it from this account too.
Order filled. Order filled.
From the Ignite. I'm going to short this one from the Ignite. A lovely cliff of 20 points. Good morning, welcome guys. Great to have you on board. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We're down 2,700 bucks, and that's what the market is seeking. Yeah, you see, we have a different taste of the model. And I am certainly enjoying it. Not gonna cut it. Just putting the break even here for the tap on futures Ignite account. Putting the break even here and letting it continue. My exit here is on 582 for my Ignite. I'm still gonna leave this open. And I'm gonna trail something soon as we go a little bit lower. Now I'm gonna trail from here. $700 would be my profit on the trailing. Still gotta leave room, guys, because I think it's going lower. Great. Great. Did we touch the target here? Not yet?
Order filled.
Yes, we touch it. 527. Absolutely lovely. Let me exit some of my positions here. Let me do that. There you go. We have secured $1,000 and I'm fully out. We're down to 1,400, guys. Let's just celebrate this. And we touched the target on the other side. So we secured 1,300. There you go. This is the reality of trading, guys. This is the reality of trading. Not to be scared, not to be afraid. Taking your shorts back. We've been in a short from here. And I accepted my loss around this level. And then got back in the short over there. Because I had the confirmation of the rejection appearing. If that confirmation of the rejection would have not appeared, market could have easily continued. And that's why I got out of my earlier short. I had to do it. I had no idea where the market is, you know, having chances and is showing me that it actually represents denial and lack of acceptance above. So it showed me the lack of acceptance, it showed me the denial, and I got back in my short. And we've been riding it down. That's the whole thing. Thank you, guys. So, what I'm expecting here? Well, I'm still not going to get back in along here. No. Plus, it was the daily opening right there. And this trending line, that's the real way to put it. This trending line could be a nightmare for the bulls here. We've been having this one supporting, and now it acted as a resistance. No wonder we have 2 candlesticks and 5-minute closing right below. Yeah, that was the point of it for the moment. I think, you know, the buying pressure coming into this 5-minute candlestick is very interesting. Right, this whole spot here is great for the bulls. This whole circle that I just made, guys, should be great for the bulls today in terms of the price action. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. The only thing is there is a spreadness of 50 points here. Testing out a little short here. Good evening, welcome guys. Make sure to sign up for the forum, and on the other side, if you want to participate in the giveaway, obviously you have to sign up the forum, but the next thing is you have to like the video, be subscribed on the YouTube channel. We're gonna do $150,000 today, and join the Discord. These are the things you have to do. Trading our YRM account. Day number 9 of the 3rd cycle. Adding to my short here. That's not looking bad at all, right? What do you guys think about it? I'm gonna put the break even soon. We have re-shorted on the bouncing. So we've exited on the wick, on that green candle wick. We've exited there and re-shorted on the bouncing. Let's see. How can you see how many days you've traded? Adding a little more to this, I'm going to share with you in the dashboard area. Beautiful, guys. Stop loss on break even. We got to put it. Stop loss and break even. I'm going to show you soon. Hope to hit my target here, guys. That's going to be $1,000. Come on, do not let me down, price action. We have a decent short here. There's not much space in between the price and my break even, but still. Time to accelerate. Accelerate. What a lovely day, guys, and we had an amazing time. So yesterday, not only putting my break even here, guys, I'm trailing 175 profit for my trailing, 500 unrealized. Give me that little target on a $1,000 on 573, 6 points. I don't need more than that. We're trailing. The only problem is that this whole thing here, guys, this whole thing here is demand. Right, it's possible buying pressure to appear, that whole thing. And then look at a 1 minute candle we're having. Right, so obviously it makes sense to sell something at this point. It makes sense. That's why I'm trailing. Not gonna sell anything additional, I'm just trailing at 170 and that's it. We could be bleeding slowly and that could be something interesting to me. Right. There you go. Made some profit on that. Not bad at all. I'm fully satisfied. The 1 minute is not looking bad here for a runner. But let me just wait a little bit, guys, and chill out. And the 5 minute looks great too with a double rejection on the 5 minute. If that holds... $20 micros to the upside. $30 micros to the upside. We were down a lot today, 2,700. That was a realized loss. Yeah. Not touching it. Accepted a partial loss, and I'm gonna buy cheaper. Such as now. We got cheaper. Another one. And another one here, down. And that's it. If it's rolling over, I'm gonna exit out, of course, but let's see if that was the case of grabbing the liquidity below the previous wick and then the market bouncing from here. We're gonna discover that together, guys. Add it to this a little bit. Let's see. I'm longing right now. And we were in a decent short earlier. But we've worked with a quite tight stop loss and break even there. Nah. This is the last DCA here, and I'm gonna be out if the market is not giving up. Right? We'll have to take then a bigger loss probably. Well, that was the last DCA right there. Let's see what are we up to. This 1 minute candlesticks are interesting, guys. The way we're just grabbing the low and then reacting. Grabbing the low, reacting. That's good for me for my scalping strategies. That's what I'm seeking. That's what I'm seeking, guys. I was thinking about longing a different account too, but I'm not touching anything else. It's not looking bad at all, guys. Trust me. I don't have a stop loss, but I have a manual stop loss that I'm working with, which is always I'm triggering when it's needed based on the price action. I don't have a predetermined stop loss. Never, never. I always set it up depending on the price action. Always. If I see urgency behind, let's see, guys, if this is a good runner from here. We could have a you know, W pattern here or something around that one. We need to quickly break out of that 77, 78. Come on, this one, give me some impulse higher. And obviously I'm gonna get a partial sold here. We'll have to do. We are having 70 micros, a little bit too much. If the market comes back, yeah. We have the flat opening coming through in 2 minutes on the hourly. Beautiful buying pressure, guys. Look at that one. They were going after the trailings. And it has been bought back quickly. Let's go. I'm not scared. The only thing I do not like about my position is the sizing. It's too much. That's the only thing I do not like. And obviously here for the 1 minute looks like we're forming a type of downtrend here for the 1 minute. Look at this, guys. Like, this is a trending line here. For sure we've got it. For sure. This is the place I'm gonna long it on a different account too. Yep. Longing it here. And putting a take profit on the 200 bucks. I don't need to make more. This is gonna be day number 8 for the second cycle on this account. We got to see that rejection coming in. We have to see that rejection, otherwise it's not looking good. Could roll over. Come on. Great, 187. Target has been hit here. Day number 8 for the second cycle on that account. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate your message. Thank you, buddy. But this is the place I'm a little bit concerned. This is the place I'm a little bit concerned. Trading our YRM accounts, which are having no payout targets. We're trading the 150,000 instant funded. There is an additional $90 discount with my code, so it's around 540. No payout target, just minimum $150 for 10 days, and that's it. Lovely, lovely guys. Come on. This is a lovely situation. I'm gonna long it from this account too. This is the third basically instant funded of 150k we've got. I'm longing it from here as well. Target has been hit, 223 on this side. Look at that one. That's great. But I actually need it on this place too. So we have the great reaction on the flat hourly. Nah. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you on that denial? This is quite risky here, guys. Nah. We'll have to cut it soon. We'll have to cut it soon. Still have buffer left, but you see, I'm kind of going low on that. Yeah. I've let it make a wick right below. And I'm gonna, you know, press the button. Stop loss is right there. Stop loss is gonna be right there. That's the ultimate stop loss level, right below the wick. Last chance for the market makers to address the problem here. Technically, this is not looking bad for reversal, guys, especially with a green candle we have right now for the moment. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see, guys. That's lovely, right? 2 targets hit so far for the YRM. Yeah. Do not dare to once again get me down on 75. I told you I don't like my sizing way prior to that, and that's why I'm paying the price of the sizing here. It's a little bit too much. The thing is, we could actually, because it's Friday, and we could make another wick right below the previous one and then reverse it fully. If we don't have strength here, it's problematic. Look at that, guys. How weak this is. Slowly melting. Yeah. But I do have a clear stop loss there. Yeah, look at that. That's great. That's great reaction, guys. Come on. Keep it up. 587 for my target. 20 points from here. Nah. It's getting pressured. We're coming back to this level for the 6th time already. Yeah, insane. Thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video to be able to join the Discord and to be able to join the 150 grand giveaways. We have 4 giveaways today. You gotta like the video. Look at that great spot there, guys. That's a great spot there on the rejection for the 1 minute. Buckle up. We could have something interesting coming in. Buckle up. And fasten your seatbelts. This could actually take us. It's not looking bad, trust me. Not looking bad right now. Let's go, guys. Come on. Not selling anything. Obviously, I'm gonna dump 20. I sold partially. I had to. We've been going through the nightmare. I'll put my break even there. We had to do it, guys. I'm sorry. We had to sell partially. I sold 20 micros. We put the break even. Accepted some profits. And I'm leaving the rest open. Oh my gosh. I'm putting the trailing here, guys. So this candle 220 profit will be secured if we hit that. And we hit it, guys. That's great. Oh my gosh. We recovered something. We recovered something. It was down 1,500. And during this specific level, we've hit basically 2 targets for the other accounts. Right? This one, 187, and that's enough. It's day number 8 for the 2nd cycle. And then this one, 223, is enough. This one is day number 9 of the 3rd cycle. That's 29 days. I do have indicators on my charts, especially on the other side for the trading view. 5 minute looks great here, but you see, we've been slaughtered and I got consumed a little bit emotionally for this trade. Just have to give myself a few minutes. Yes, thank you. You see, these things are way more possible, I think, for the London session, which is why 99% of my trades are done during the London session. On the New York session, you cannot do this. I know it. Because this kind of situations on New York could catch so much liquidity that they actually dip another, 30, 40 points. And I cannot allow my position to be active on the New York session with that being said. Yet on London, I do know the way London works. The strategy I apply for London, it's a whole different thing. It's not working to do this on the New York session. I know it. I'm not trading in there. It's as simple as like that. Right? That's my philosophy behind. So now I'm waiting for the price action to see it all the way back into levels below 70. If I get it, I'm just going to have my longs from there. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. And I'd like to trade my... Yes. 99% of the trades are completed on the London session. What we're trading now, Tom. This is our live stream. Not the London session opening, but the pre-New York session, in other words. Yeah, it's still London, yes. I'm not trading the London opening, but I'm pushing here for the London session that's prior of New York. 99% of the trades are done here. Someone asked me, yeah, where do you see the performance and the results and how many days you traded for the YRM? Someone asked me earlier. No, you don't have to pay an activation fee. YRM has no activation fee. Zero activation fee. 65 bucks is for the evaluation on our side for the YRM. 65 bucks, no activation fee, code Scrambo. And then the instant funded, which I think is a lot better. Yeah, so you go back into your dashboard here. On the top left corner is your dashboard, and then you want to click on the table. Right? Table. That's where you want to click on. So you click on the table, and then you take this one to the right side, and then you look into the net P&L. And this is the account we're trading right now. That's the net P&L column. Right, we have a net P&L here of 1,185 today. We've cashed out from this account 5,501, 5,500. But look at that, guys. We have 28 sessions back-to-back profit, no losses, zero losses. You know, I can scroll this one, and we had 2 payouts on this account today and the next day, which is going to be Monday for the third payout, and the third payout is 3,500. So we would be taking out $9,000 from a single account on YRM. 9 grand. That's the first instant funded. Here's the second instant funded, day number 18, which means second cycle, day number 8. Zero losses. Net P&L column. And these are not day number 2, day number 3. We're not buying accounts every other day. You see day number 29, day number 18. And then here is day number 14 on the third one. So we don't have accounts where we are, you know, trading live, but every time we're just having 2 or 3 days of trading because we're always losing and needing to buy new ones. No. All the accounts are having a specific time. That's a lovely movement, guys. Lovely movement here. Let me take care about this 1,185. Let me take care about it. Now out of 20, 10 minis long. You see, this is a much better spot here. I'll have some additional longs set up there. I just double up 20, not minis, actually micros. Do we have news today? I think we have some news today, some red folder news today. I think we have. So make sure to like the video, guys. 233 people watching, 120 likes. That's a shy of 120 likes. This way we're not going to do the giveaways. Been planning to do $150,000 for the people out here. But you gotta make a step forward, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord if you want to be part of the giveaway, and complete the form. I'm putting all the things in the chat. These are mandatory things, otherwise you cannot participate. As simple as like that. I'm gonna delete the other limit orders. I don't need them anymore. 20 micros long here. What do you guys think about it? Stop loss and break even. You know that I'm not gonna exit out of this. I'm not gonna exit out of this. No. Maybe not even here if we get it. There's a flat supply there, a resistance supply on that level. But we could actually go for this one. We could actually go for the wick, for the liquidity on that wick. And then let's not forget about the daily opening 605. 5 minute looks great here. Five-minute looks great. To DCA into more, but I'm not touching it. We are on fire because we were down 3,000 bucks and now we're down 1,200. That's how we're on fire. Look at that one. They just came down. Wipe out my trailing there on break even. I'm rebuying it. I don't think it's better. Lucid is you know, that is #1 in the world, Lucid right now. But YRM is having all the great conditions to be a great company. So their accounts and today's model with this payouts, minimum 10 days of 150 bucks. I mean, that's how you. And if you take the instant funded where you have bigger discounts with my code than what they're talking about on their website, we've negotiated that. You know, I've just went out there and said it. Well, our community needs bigger discounts. Our community is hungry. Our community wants to make money. I need something better that you guys are discounting here. Give me that and allow people to have a great time. And that's what they're doing. Just test it out. Stop loss on break even. I told you guys they're hunting back for my stop loss on trailing and I'm rebuying it. So that's what we did. And obviously now I'm gonna allow this for a strong runner. Lucid is amazing. Like Lucid, we have 10 accounts on Lucid. 10. %35%, right? What the 35%? It's free and easy, exactly. Oh, 12 IC, no worries. No worries. You have to lose some for me to be able to get paid, right? Come on, 12 IC. You have to lose some for me to be able to get paid. Otherwise, how do you expect me to be paid if you don't lose that account? Consistency, YRM. They didn't change anything. It was like that, 35% consistency on the challenge accounts that you pass. You have on the challenge phase 50, and then on the funded phase you have 35. It's been like that forever. They didn't add anything. And the instant funded has 20%. We're trading 3 of 150k instant funded. Well, you know, trade of 8 is expensive, yeah. We're trading basically on YRM Volumetrica with deep charts. Volumetrica, YRM prop firm, deep charts. We're also trading Lucid with Rhythmic Connection on Quantower. We're gonna trade it soon. We have 10 Lucid accounts, 5 funded. Actually, all the 10 are funded. If you guys know, yesterday we funded 5 Lucid Black accounts. We passed the evaluations of 5 Lucid Black. Gotta move my trailing right here. I don't even have a take profit, guys. I don't have a take profit. $10 minutes to go. Market is running. This is the place we gotta break out, 285. The best option for you is the starter accounts for the YRM 50K. $64, no activation fee. No activation fee. This is the best thing for beginners. Yeah, no activation fee. YRM, 65 bucks. No activation fee. Pass the evaluation and then run for the funded stage. It's the cheapest, basically. You can have only 5 funded Lucid. Yes, you can only have 5 funded, but I have 10. And how can I have 10? Very simply, I'm not trading 5. So they are not converted from evaluations into funded. I did not upgrade them. You know, you get that green button on Lucid when you pass an evaluation to upgrade the account. It's the same green button like you get when you request a payout. It's a lovely color, right? Well, if you have 5 funded already and you don't have a slot open, you don't get that green button to make your new funded ones, right? I'm using Rhythmic 1 Tower for the Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex, I think it's the best product in the world. Lucid Flex, I'm going to talk about it soon for those of you that are not familiar. Basically, they have no consistency. Not selling anything. Oh, that's a deep correction. I'm increasing my trailing to that level, 325. 325 will be secured in this trade. Exactly, exactly. You can keep unlimited paused. That you passed the evaluation, but you couldn't activate the funded because you had no available slots. No monthly fee for the starter. No monthly fee. We're gonna trail on that 325 very likely, guys. I don't think we're gonna survive that. Should have exited partially higher, but I've been greedy. So we made that money, 325. Good. Yeah. Lucid Flex is top level. So no activation fee. And no consistency, no payout target for the Lucid Flex. 7 minutes to go, the market opens soon. I'm gonna show you my Lucid stuff. No, they do not accept crypto as a payment. Thank you guys for joining. Hey, cheers from UK. Thank you. Cheers, buddy. How to set up on the 2 platforms. Very simply, purchase the account. For example, YRM. You buy the account and you get your credentials to log into the dashboard here. You log into your dashboard here, you get the credentials, you log into your dashboard area, and then you have on the left side menu, web platform. And then you just trade on the web platform. Basically, turn on the trading panel This one, trade panel, you turn it on, and then this whole thing appears here from where you do market order, limit orders, drag and drop, sizing, quantity, select the account, put on basically the contracts and the Nasdaq you like to trade or whatever else, and you're fine, you're good to go with that one. It's quite simple. And then with Lucid, I'm trading on Quantower for Lucid. So you just have to make the Quantower connection, and Lucid has clear instructions on how to do it. Right, so in terms of setting things up, none of these companies have any major difficulties or problems with that. The 25,000 Lucid is the worst product. Not even worth to trade it, even if it's for free. Not even worth your time, even if it's for free. Let me tell you something for the Lucid. That's an interesting buying pressure. I'm going to get back in my long here, guys. 5-minute algo starts soon. There you go. Stop loss and break even. I told you about the 5-minute algo. I told you about it, guys. I'm not selling anything yet. I'm just putting my break even on $100 profit. What a silly rejection. Come on, man. I'll show you soon why Lucid 25k is not good. I just have to make the money here, make the target here. Excuse me. You don't pay for Quantower on Lucid anything. No. Rhythmic connection, Lucid, no payment for a Quantower. It's a free version of the Quantower. Oh my gosh. That was so close for our target, guys. Come on. I'm still leaving it open and I'm trailing right here. I'm gonna secure $400 if the market reverses. But I'm still leaving space basically to make some more by hitting the ultimate target. Lucid, no consistency, no target on the funded stage. I'm gonna explain you soon, guys. A little more on that. I only trade Nasdaq because this is what I know how to trade. And this is where I'm making money, so... I do not trade on Ninja. Lovely. That's lovely, guys. Come on. 3 minutes to go when the market opens. We have a trailing of $400 secured. You know, guys, we were down on this account $3,000. It's day number 9 of the 3rd cycle. YRM 150k instant funded. And that red line at the top is the target for the day. If I hit that, I think I have enough money for the day to stop trading this account and seal up day number 9. That's going to be amazing. With only 1 day left. Oh. We still secured some money. I'm going to celebrate that, guys. I mean, we were down on this account 3,000. And we have a great couple of trades that we close at green P&L. Look at that price section. It's just nonsense at this point. At this point, it's just nonsense. It's just a Friday thing. Ninja Trade Evade. I don't like any of that. I like basically Quantower. I'm gonna show you Quantower very soon, guys. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. How many hours do I trade a day? 8 a.m. EST time. That's when our streaming starts, like 8:15. And then I only trade on the live stream. I do not trade off stream at all. I want it to be fully and totally transparent on that. So, you know, maximum 2 hours. Maximum 2 hours I trade per day, not more. Market is retesting this trending right here. And we're close to the opening. So watch that, guys. Watch that scarcity appearing. Do not forget, a little higher, we have basically our daily volume weighted average price sitting on 625. 200 EMA, 632. We're now trading above the daily opening. And you see the yesterday highs and today's high are sitting at 730s, 740s. So if we break out of this 5-minute trending line that's been keeping us in this downtrending channel, we might have a great time not trading during Asian session. That long was great, but we had to trail, you see. We had to be professional and trail. And then I paid the price of it. But you certainly don't want to pay the prices of not trailing and not securing profits during the long run, right? Because these are exceptional cases and most of the time reverses and it goes back to your original entry and you made nothing. So I've learned my lesson. We got the opening, guys. Listen up for the bell. Market is going to the moon. We're forcing the breakout out of this channel. We're forcing the breakout out of this channel. Let me open up Quantower. We've got 5 accounts to trade on Quantower, all funded Lucid Flex. And let me talk about a Lucid. So 12 AC, the difference between a 25,000 and a 50,000 Lucid Flex account is $21. Right? $21 between the 25K and the 50K. 50K is priced with 25 extra more. 21 extra more. But you get a double drawdown. So what does it mean? You get for an additional $21, $1,000 worth of drawdown. You don't pay double for the double drawdown. You pay 21 bucks extra. Plus the payout as well is way higher. Double. So for 21 bucks, things are going to double in your pocket. And that's, you have a massive advantageous situation, right? The 50K Flex and the 150K Flex are the only great products. Forget about the other ones on the Flex side, like the 25 or 100. Yes, is on the rat folder news. We're connecting to our Quantower right now. Whoa, look at this, guys. Still want to trade. Still have to erase that 568 bucks somehow. That's not an easy thing. Oh my gosh. It's a lovely situation here. Look at that massive rejection. Testing out a little long. Adding to it a little bit. Oh, what a... And I'd like to sell on the way up on this candle. If we get a green candle here, I'm going to sell on the way up. Come on. Just a little bit more. I'm out. $217 profit. That's target hit, guys. $217 profit. That's how you scalp. I told you. I'm going to sell on the way up. We sold it. We had to be quick. Usually the price action is only doing a wick and then it could die. We've saved the account. I mean, not save the account. I wouldn't risk the entire account for sure. But we saved the day, 3,500. We were down on realized loss on this one. And now we made it all back. And we're hitting the target here. Oh my gosh. Who's on fire right now and who's getting terrified? Tell me, who's getting terrified? We've hit the target. Day number 9 on 3rd cycle. YRM 150k instant funded. The best choice if you want to get to payouts by only making 150 bucks a day. Yes, you are allowed basically to do quick scalpings. So basically 50% of your profits, half of your profits at the withdrawal time needs to come from trades you held minimum 10 seconds. 50% of your profits needs to come from those trades you held minimum 10 seconds. And that's obvious. Not an issue with that at all. Oh my god. There is no red P&L, guys. No red P&L here. 29 sessions back to back. No red P&L. One more session and we're taking out 3,500. That's going to be for Monday. Hopefully. We only need to do 150 bucks. And we're taking out maximum payout, 3,500. And then I'm going to go for the 4th cycle. Let me show you what's happening in the 4th cycle for my 150k account. There you go. Look at this, guys. So my 150k instant funded. We're trading the 3rd cycle right now. We're about to secure this, hopefully. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Consistency. If you are having an evaluation, it's 50% for YRM. If you pass your evaluation with a 50% consistency, you go into funded stage with 35. If you buy directly instant funded, you have basically 20% consistency. I'm trading 5 instant funded of 150k. Not wasting time at all, just doing that, minimum 150 bucks a day. I can make more than it. I have to respect 20% consistency. Not making more than $600-700 a day. You know what's the consistency. That's your highest day and you're enjoying. So 6,000, guys. This is where I'm hunting right now. 6,000. You know it's going to be tough because we're going to take our 3,500 out from the balance of 156. That's going to be $6,000 profit. We're taking 3,500 out. We're going to remain with 2,500 in the account. And we're supposed to climb back, crawl back, and fight from the trenches to take that 6 grand out. That's what we're supposed to do. And you know, guys, I'm going to try to do it, right? Taking that 6,000 out. And then maybe another 6,000. Maybe the second 6,000. Great. Oh, look at the lovely rejections we had here. So we've got basically Lucid open. Let's just look into Lucid on Quintower. We got it open. This is the account I'm going to trade for Lucid. This one. I'm re-shorting here. Looks like we're sitting on micros. You know, it's dangerous. It's a possible support, which is why I'm going break-even right now. Break-even has been touched. It's a risky spot here to short. Very risky. 15 bucks profit. We have to do 250, guys. That's it. That's what we have to do on Lucid. 250 bucks. This is an account we got at 150 and it has 167. So we have $17,000. We've been milking the account with payouts. When does the Bugatti comes? Who knows? You never know. When Bitcoin is going to hit $1 million per piece. That's when the Bugatti comes. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Hope you're having a great time. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. So yesterday you passed your Lucid Flex 50k and today you lost it. Bad news in that, but certainly you're going to fight back and get back on business. Yeah, we got numbers soon appearing in 5 minutes. There's going to be volatility with that. Exactly, Quantum. $400 a day. 2,500 max loss with 400 bucks a day target. For Lucid Flex 150k, instant funded. Sorry, there is no Flex instant funded. Funded stage, not instant funded. Funded stage. So you pass the evaluation, you become funded. Your minimum target is 250 a day. Testing out a little long here, guys. For Lucid Flex 150k instant funded stage, your minimum profit per day is 250 bucks, and you need 5 days of minimum 250 bucks to request a payout. You have no consistency, you have no target. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this account that I'm trading right now, the way we've been trading on it. Lovely profit. I'm out of this. We've made enough. I was watching a different screen because I would have cut this earlier. 685 profit. Let's just celebrate. And then I'm going to show you the account. 685 profit. There you go. We're on fire. So we hit the target here. But then watch this one, guys. This is the account we just traded right now. This is the performance for January 2026. This is a Lucid Flex 150k funded stage. You take it, you pass the evaluation, and then on your funded stage you got no consistency, so you can leave your runners run. This is for January, and then this is for December. In December, for example, we made in a day 6,200 bucks. We made in 2 days 6,800. That's not possible when you have consistency, because that raises the bar of your total profit, and it requires you to make so much that you're not going to leave those values, right? You're going to cut your profits earlier, and that's it. But without consistency, you see, that's a gold mine. So not having consistency is just insane. And this is happening on the Lucid Flex accounts. So we have 5 of them funded of 150k. They're the best. You can choose between the 50k and 150k. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Which percentage? Let me see if my copy trader is on. Yes, because we have the other 4 Lucid Flex accounts. I'm going to trade them copy traded 4 Lucid Flex accounts right now. Got in a little short here. But it's not good. It's not that good. Let's see if the market has the ability to continue back into levels below 600s, or this is going to be a possibility for a continuation to the upside. I'm not necessarily enjoying that. If this is not... I sold partially, basically. I had to do it. I'm selling. And I'm putting the rest of it break even. We have 56 bucks secured. The rest of it is opened. I'm fully out. 271 profit. 271 profit. That's above the target of 250. We don't need to more than we don't need to make more than 250. Unless we want to make more than 250, but you see, it's Friday, we had all the week green. Yeah, we do have numbers coming soon. Careful guys, we got numbers. Good morning, welcome everyone. Careful on the volatility with the numbers and sign up for the giveaway, guys. Sign up for the giveaway. We're doing today a lot of giveaways. I'm testing along. I'd like to make more than that little and the minimum profit. We're capable to clear that 35. That's the struggle. 30-35 is struggle. But we might be able to clear. Stop loss and break even, guys. Stop loss and break even. It has been touched. 282 profit. Yeah. Flash services PMI and flash manufacturing PMI is what we had. Well, look at the price section here. You see the 200 EMA purple line. 200 EMA for the 5-minute purple line. That's what makes us feel struggle. Daily VWAP 619. We had no 5-minute candlestick for the past 25 minutes confirming any close above that. We always got a wick into that daily 620s VWAP and we got rejected. So obviously not the best sign out there for the bulls. You see why we have put the break even so tight, because that was a place of supply and the rejection could have triggered the whole thing. Yes. Versavius 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after on Redford News. 10 minutes window trading is prohibited, and it's a problem if you're doing trading during that stage. What's up, Badger? How do you feel today? Hope you're having a great time, buddy. So we do, yeah. Yeah, oh my gosh, gold is insane. Gold is just insane. After such growth, gold might be ranging for some years. And I think that could be the time when gold is going to range for a longer time. That could be the time, basically, for the crypto space to have some of that liquidity digested. That could be a scenario, of course. It's great, buddy. Could be a scenario on that. We're just playing scenarios. Long-term discussion is different. I like the short-term things here with the futures, with the props. For me, something that is for the next 20-15 seconds is way more predictable. Consumer sentiment. Yeah, we're gonna do the giveaway quite soon, guys, because we have traded pretty much everything. We also traded our Ignite account and we made money on it. Testing out a short here. Stop loss and break even. We have a small position, 5 micros. Stop loss and break even. We touch it. We made another 20 bucks. So we have 300 bucks on the account. And that's more than it's needed. The minimum is 250 for the Lucid Flex on 150k. If you're trading the smaller accounts, you have a smaller minimum you gotta do. It will continue to grow, but I think it's going to have some of that liquidity dumped on the retail. This is already great price, basically. You saw the retail making up a queue and rushing into positions. You know the market makers. The institutional trading needs that for the exit liquidity. So there has to be exit liquidity from the gold as well. It has to be. And the exit liquidity always appears in this kind of price action. So they lured retail into the business at a time they slowly during months and months of pressuring out. And then back to the cycles of ranging. Not expecting anything, any crazy, not expecting any bear market for the gold, for gold. But ranging for a longer time, indeed. A way more predictable, the ranging, than the not expecting a massive dump and a massive correction and then, 40% correction and stuff like that. Not really. I think we're good, guys, for today. There's nothing else to be traded. We've hit all the targets, and this is kind of happening already at this point daily. Right? So you guys used to some standards already here, which I think it's not going to be easy for me to keep up. But for the moment, we're nicely holding the bar. That's where we are. Time to start a discussion for the giveaways. So what do I need? I need the whale, I need a ducks, and I need a formula. Whale, ducks, and formula will be part of today's games. We can wrap up the things. So we copy traded 300 bucks a day on 4 accounts, Lucid Flex 150k. And then we did a solo trading on this one, Lucid Flex 150k, 685. This is having tremendous amount of money inside. 18,000 bucks. And what else we did today? Just to wrap up the things. Yeah, we did 3 150k YRM accounts. Instant funding accounts hitting their targets. One of the accounts is sitting cycle number 3, day number 9. So on Monday, hopefully, we qualify for the 3rd payout on the same account. And we're going to take $9,000 out just from this account. And then there's another account here that is day number 8. This one. Day number 8 on the 2nd cycle. We have 18 sessions. That means day number 8 on 2nd cycle. We have no losses here, no losses on the other side too, amongst the sessions, right? So the number of sessions we have That's also the number of target and profitable days we have. We don't have negative sessions closed. And then the third account basically is the same thing. No negative session closed. 14 out of 14. That's lovely. Great. And we hit also 500 bucks here on the Ignite tap on futures, and that's pretty much it for the day, guys. Time to address basically the giveaway stuff. So everyone listen up. Everyone listen up. Time for the giveaway. Exactly. Yeah, we had a tremendous work today. Thank you guys so much. So let's just get ready. Let's just get ready. What you guys have to do, the first thing you have to do is to sign up the form. Make sure you have signed up the form. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to claim your account. There's just 245 people that have signed up the form of the giveaway. You got to do it as soon as possible. The next thing is like the video. Be subscribed to the YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Having some decent trading, nice education, a lovely community, and a daily giveaways shows, right? Daily, for free. And the third thing is you got to be part of my Discord, right? So I'll give you 10 seconds, guys, for you to do this. And I'm going to start organizing the numbers to participate. It's quite simple. You will have to guess the number. You want to listen to the numbers I'm going to have on the wheel and just choose out of that. A single guess per person. Do not get multiple times. Do not guess from multiple accounts. You're going to get banned. Not multiple times. Do not spam 20, 30 times. The system will knock you out. And you don't want that. Right, so I'll give you 5 more seconds, guys, to get ready on the subject, on the matter. We still have a gap here with the likes and views. But it is what it is. Great, so the first giveaway is going to offer 2 accounts. First giveaway will offer 2 accounts. First ranked will get Tap on Futures $25,000 end of the day drawdown, instant funding account. Second ranked Tap on Futures $25,000 Ignite account, instant funded. Right? So the first ranked, which is also confirmed on Formalo, will have a top Tap on Futures $25,000 instant funded, and the second rank will have a $25,000 instant funded Ignite account. 2 accounts we're going to share in this one. Listen up, guys, for the ratios. Listen up. 5 zeros. 3 number 3. 3 number 7. And a single number 8. Those are the numbers you have to choose from. You can start right now. Let me know your guess in the chat. A single guess per person. You can start right now. Do not guess before my starting command. Do not guess after my ending command. I'm going to put in the chat at the end. Right? So keep going, guys. And I wish you best of luck. We're on fire, and this is lovely. We had a very, very good session today. A difficult one. You'd like to see that on the live stream. A very difficult one. We were down $3,000 on a very important account, which is day number 9 in the 3rd cycle. So we only had 2,000 buffer left there, and I was squeezing hard. Careful with the spamming. Careful out there. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. That was it. Stop right there. We're going to shuffle them. this way, and they're good to go right now. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. And by the way, thank you so much for joining. This is the first giveaway. We're gonna have 2 more. That's gonna be the zeros, I think. By the way this thing spins, I think that's gonna be with the zeros. Hey, congratulations. That's with the zeros. This is the first giveaway. Congratulations, guys. Fully confirmed. Let's see, how many do we have? Is there more than 100 winners? There's going to be 2 rounds for the duck race. If we have more than 100 winners, you already know that. Top 3 will go to the second round, and then top 1 will win. 90. Quite close, but we're not going to have 2 rounds. We're going to have a single round. A single round, but there's going to be 2 winners. Best of luck, guys. Wow, gotta change my lighting, adjust my lighting a little bit. There's a problem with my lighting going on. There is a problem with my lighting going on. Gotta change it a little bit, gotta adjust it. We'll take care about it for the next stream. I did some changes in the settings for the lightning and it's not good. Gotta put it back in the way it used to be. Thank you, guys. $20 seconds to go. The top 2 will grab the prize. Top 2. Oh, Frank, that was a great choice, but you were too early on that leading. Philip. Hey, congratulations, Philip. But then also the second. Tiekya. Or how do you spell that? How do you say that? Tiekya. Congratulations for the winners. Let's just find it out. If you guys are sitting on the form, we're going to find it out right now. So the winner here, Philip. Philip. Oh my gosh, what's happening, Philip? I didn't spell that wrong. It's a double L, obviously, right? With a single L? We don't have anyone with a single L. You know, I gave you a chance there, but we have a double. Look at that. It's not working, guys. You did not fill up the form, Philip. Philip, unfortunately, you did not fill up the form. Which means Valeos, with the third duck, is having a great chance. And then the second ranked is having a great chance to take the first account. Yes. You're fully confirmed. You're fully confirmed. Congratulations, buddy. You got this one. Tia. And then the third one, Valeos. There you go. Congratulations, buddy, Valeos. Hey, you got lucky. You got lucky with this one. The winner of the race did not complete the form today. Great, so continuing with the next giveaway, which will be, second giveaway will be $50K Lucid Flex. 50K Lucid Flex, guys. That's gonna be the second giveaway. Watch for the numbers I'm putting. 5 zeros, 5 numbers 7, One number 1, one number 2, and one number 3. And that's it, guys. You can go start right now. Let me know your guess. A single guess per person. 5 zeros, 5 numbers, 7. And then just a single number from 1 to 3. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck. Only one guess per person. Look at that, number 7 is very popular. I think there's going to be more than 100 people there. I'm smelling 2 rounds for that. But we'll have to see. There you go. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there, chat. No more guesses. Over. For those of you that are guessing after, you're not going to be on the list. This is the second giveaway. We're going to have one more. Right, shuffle. Best of luck, everyone. Quite a few of you came in a little late. It's not going to be the number 2. It's not going to be the number 1. Could it be that number 7 on red? I don't think we stop on the 0 here, guys. Could it be that number 7 on red? Very likely. Very, very likely, guys. That number 7 on red. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. I think we're going to have a ton of people. Knockout Trader is going for all the numbers. It's not bad, right? Congratulations for the winners with the number 7. Ariane, you certainly want to stop spamming. Certainly. 111 winners for this one, so that means we're going to have 2 duck races. 2 rounds. For this $50,000 Lucid Flex account. 1 minute competition time. We're setting 111 ducks in the water. This is on the Atlantic, right? So I've been researching, guys. This duck race is happening in the Atlantic. If you watch out in the window, you're gonna see it. Best of luck, guys. So top 3 will qualify for the second round. Let me not forget that. I'm telling basically for the winner not to get too over enthusiastic. You still have to go through another challenge. Great. Great. Come on, trades by now. 10 seconds. You're not in a good position there, dominating right here. Who's going to speed up, guys? Top 3. We got Destiny from the top with a strong. Congratulations, buddy. Great job. Destiny, Dilson Straight, and Trader King. These are the top 3. Let's just find out. Destiny. Are you here? How is your name? Yes. There you go. Destiny, you're here. I just didn't have that I letter. Dilson's. Great. So Destiny is confirmed. Dilson's trades is well confirmed. And Trader King. Trader King is also confirmed, right? So we're going to have the second round, 30 seconds between Destiny. Dilson's and Trader King. There you go. 30% competition time. The number 1 is going to win this $50,000 Lucid Flex account. That's quite exciting, guys. Good luck, everyone. Who's going to win? Tell me, chat, quickly. You got 10 seconds to tell me quickly who's going to win. Nasdaq trading on 700s. Four seconds. Look at a destiny. First time, and you got this. You are fully confirmed at $50,000. $50,000. Lucid Flex account. You actually won this. Great job. Great job. Congratulations, buddy. Let's just continue with the third giveaway, which is going to be a $50,000 YRM account. 50 grand YRM account for the third giveaway. Let me break that down. So third giveaway, 50k YRM. Go get the payout, buddy. Congratulations. Alright guys, so listen up for the numbers. I'm going to go here. Listen up for the numbers. This is not going to be easy. There's going to be a lot of diversification on the wheel. So we're going to have a 00, a 11, a 22, a 33, a 55, a 77, and a 88. And that's it. You can just start right now, guys. Let me know your guess, guys. Start right now. Let me know your number. 00, you know, out of each number we got a double of it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, and double of each, right? 14 entries. Each number is covering 2 entries of this 14. That's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Best of luck, everyone. Only one guess per person. Only one guess per person. Tiago, only one guess per person. You actually have all the numbers. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Make sure you're registered. Like the video, be subscribed. You have to be part of our Discord. You got to do these things. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to win. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. Silver, $100. Ho ho! Great. So we're gonna shuffle this. Best of luck, everyone. Let's get into our third and last giveaway of the week. We've been doing a lot this week. 15 giveaways this week. 15. Could be that number 2 on yellow. Could be that number 2 on yellow, guys. And that's Jake's most preferred number. Look at that number 2. Great job, Rocky. Thank you. This is Jake's number on number 2. He might be missing today's stream. When we got his number, he's missing it. Congratulations for the winner. Jake is not here. Jake is not here. Enjoy your weekend, buddy. So let's see who's taking this account. Very important. 27 winners out there. Look at that competition, guys. 27 winners out there. Obviously, this is going to be a single race. 30 seconds. Shuffle them. And leave them and fly. Keep it going, everyone. Thank you, guys. That's great news, Richard. Great news. Great news. Thank you, Fly. 6 seconds to go. Who's going to take this one? $50,000. Run B97 speeding up. I'll look at Thank you guys so much. Look at this one. Oh, that was quite fast. We're going to verify if Run B did complete the form. I think so. Run B97 is here completing the form, so it's fully confirmed a 50 grand account for Run. Hey, great job, buddy. Run, congratulations. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you guys for the whole great week. We had an amazing time. Amazing. High performance across the board. We passed accounts, Lucid Black accounts. We copy traded 5 accounts. We've hit targets. No losses. We brought a very important account on the 3rd cycle to day number 9. Hopefully Monday we're going to take day number 10 and take the payout on Monday. We only have to do 150 bucks. And that's going to happen right after 8 a.m. EST time. Quickly, that's going to be the first account I'm going to trade on Monday. Quickly. So make sure you're sitting out here. Thank you guys. Enjoy your weekend. Relax. Thank you once again, Badger, for the great job you're doing. He is taking care about the infrastructure related to the giveaways, guys. Badger. It's a very important piece for our community. Very important. Thank you guys once again. For the winners, reach out to me on Discord. Have a lovely weekend. Take care. All the peace. I'm gonna fix my lighting. It's not working. It's not looking good. Something happened. But I'll take care. Talk to you on Discord, guys. Have a lovely time. Lovely weekend. Thank you.